Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome to you all to my YouTube channel that is Kate Mechanical. Today, I am here to present some important concepts of Six Sigma. Today, we'll be starting a crash course for the students who are staying at home, and this is the very first video of this uh, course. I am glad to share my learning with you all, whatever I have learnt in my working experience. I would like to share it with you all, starting from the very basics. I will be using my notes, handmade notes, for my reference, for my ready reference, so that wherever I will be having doubt, I will take help from them. So let us start. Basically, why we use Six Sigma? This is a very important question comes in our mind. Why industry is chasing Six Sigma approach? Why? Basically, Six Sigma helps us in reducing the variability of any system or any process. It helps us to develop better control over my process. In fact, that will be helpful in delighting the customer and will definitely reduce the in-house rejection. So I was wondering, what is quality? Some years ago there was a definition of quality is conformance to specification given by a customer is called quality. But I think customer is not satisfied just by meeting the drawing specification. You need to meet expectations that is beyond just satisfaction. Another one is product quality. The better product quality you are delivering, the better Six Sigma or the better customer is being satisfied. Higher the quality of the product, lower will be the cost. Now, everybody will argue with me on this topic, how a higher quality will be delivered with lower cost, because cost is definitely going to increases when you are giving a good quality. But in my view, higher the quality of a product, lower will be the cost of the product. I will explain you with the simple illustration. If your factory or your premises industrial unit is working at Six Sigma, you will have the very less rejection in your plant. Definitely it will reduce your rework cost, scrap cost, manpower cost. You will be working on lean manufacturing. You have been eliminated all your kind of waste from the system, and definitely it will increase your production, your cycle time, your workmanship. This will lower down your manufacturing cost. Even the customer will not reject your parts. The parts will be accepted in one go. This is the thing. Higher the quality you will try to achieve, lower will be the production cost. Very simple topic. So I will define Six Sigma in 3 to 4 lines, that it is a problem solving technology which uses human assets, data, measurement, statistical tool to identify the vital few factors to decrease the waste. Number one, to decrease the defects while increasing customer satisfaction, profit, shareholder value. दो चीज़ों को डिक्रीज करना है, उसके बाद सब कुछ इंक्रीज होगा. डिक्रीज किसको करना है? वेस्ट को। डिक्रीज किसको करना है? डिफेक्ट को। इंक्रीज किसे करेंगे? अल्टीमेटली कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन, प्रॉफिट, शेयर होल्ड वैल्यू। प्रोसेस के अंदर जो वेरिएबिलिटी है उसे रिड्यूस करना है बेसिकली। अगर आप प्रोसेस के वेरिएबिलिटी को रिड्यूस करेंगे तो यू विल डेफिनेटली विल अचीव सिक्स सिग्मा। अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टैटिस्टिक्स, अगर कोई प्रोसेस सिक्स सिग्मा पे वर्क करता है देन द कंपनी विल हैव द रिजेक्शन value of 3.4 defects only upon 1 million opportunities. That is, if you are producing 1 million parts, only 3.4 number will get rejected or will get out of spec. This is the beauty of this tool. Motorola, a big renowned organization, have started this tool in 1987. A very famous technologist, Bill Smith, working in Motorola, has adopted this tool, and it was like a turning point for Motorola. They were under huge sale loss at that time. New competitors were there in the market. The only challenging tool Motorola has been adopted was Six Sigma. After that, many of our Indian companies, Generation Engineering, TVS, Tata, Asian Paints, and so many other companies have adopted this technology. But the big question is, who has to adopt this technology? Who has to adopt this tool? क्या हर एक कंपनी इस चीज को अडॉप्ट कर सकती है? No. The organization, its employees, its management, if has willing to change itself, can adopt this. जो change होना नहीं चाहता can never adopt Six Sigma in his life. Six Sigma can only be adopted if you are willing to change everything from system to procedure to work instruction, the guidelines, even the leadership, and if necessary, management also need to be changed. So basically, I will define quality in two terms. It is an obsession of contemporary world. Everybody loves to bring out the good quality, that is obsessed. And the next definition is entry ticket for doing business. You have the quality, you will be the market holder. Basically, there are 6 dimensions of quality. You should give excellent performance, you should give the features in your product, the product should be reliable enough, serviceability of the product should be good, durability of the product should also be good, it should be aesthetically good. So this is the basic definition of quality. Let me talk about some history, how quality has been improved in the ages. In 1879, people have started quality circles. It's a group activity to improve a small problem. After that, in 1980s, statistical process control charts have been introduced. After that, in 1987, international standards on quality management have been introduced. But in 1995 onwards, Six Sigma tool has been used to reduce the variation. It's a variation reduction methodology. And at present, we are not confined to Six Sigma. We have merged Six Sigma with lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is another topic, Six Sigma is another topic. We have merged both this topic to have the excellence environment in the organization. Lean manufacturing works to eliminate rejection from the wastages, and Six Sigma will be working basically on variability reduction. So basically, what are the waste in lean? Inventory can be a waste. Huge inventory, pile up of inventory is a waste for an organization. Overproduction. Inspection. Over inspection is deadly for an organization. Rework is also another deadly disease. Material movement. You are moving a material from one place to another. With the increased cycle time, it's a wastage for the organization. Waiting time. Operator is waiting at one position. Part is ready at the next operation. Waiting time. Known value added processing. Customer is asking for 12.5 RZ and you are giving it 1620. Wastage of money. Simply. Motion. Transportation. Customer is asking for you normal delivery, you are supplying it at premium freight. Wastage of money. You have to reduce, you have to eliminate all these kind of waste from the system itself. That is lean manufacturing. Then after, you will be heading towards Six Sigma. The variability of the process should be immediately reduced. Then only both will be working simultaneously, and then only you should be customer centric. Everything, the guidelines itself should be customer centric. Whole management has to follow the same instructions, and there should be one goal in the organization. Nobody else have the other. No individual goals have been goals for the person. Everybody should be synchronized enough and should work towards the same. Very important strategy in Six Sigma, that is DMAC policy. Very, very important. Basically, it is define, measure, analyze, improve, control. I will be talking of this topic in my next lecture. Till then you will revise. And we will be talking about the total quality management in my next topic, and the quality cost. That is very important. And the most important tool, that is statistical control. This is one of my favorite topic, will be discussed in the subsequent lectures, which is altogether very, very important. So I request each and every one of you to be with me until I complete this course. Have a good day.